In this video, I'm about to show you how to easily learn Swedish in Memrise. If you want to learn Swedish with Memrise, then your online personal AI language tutor will teach you how to speak Swedish like a local. Start by opening the Memrise website and searching for Swedish courses. Memrise teaches you Swedish vocabulary through lessons based on your interests. It finds thousands of authentic video lessons to help you learn Swedish, featuring the exact words you've just learned. Memrise provides you with unlimited human-like conversation practice to improve your Swedish learning. You should spend 10 to 15 minutes daily practicing because consistency is key. You can take advantage of Memrise's listening and speaking exercises. Also, use the Memrise mobile app to learn while commuting, waiting, or during any free moment, and set a goal for how many words you want to learn each day or week. Join Memrise's community discussions and forums where you can interact with other learners, share tips, or even practice your Swedish with fellow learners. If you want to access additional features, you can choose the Memrise Pro plan. Memrise is highly focused on vocabulary acquisition and might not offer in-depth lessons on Swedish grammar, which is essential for mastering the language. While Memrise offers audio clips and quizzes, it doesn't provide opportunities for real-time conversations with native speakers, limiting your ability to practice speaking naturally. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.